Okay, in this video, I want to talk about some of the changes that was made on the Uphold platform in terms of the US bank accounts and how fast can you trade your funds when you deposit from a US bank account. My name is Adam Shelton. Let's go ahead and talk about this news. Now, it is good news that you can now trade deposits from your US bank account instantly on Uphold instead of having to wait that 4 to 7 day for settlement. So that is positive news there. Accessing fast-moving cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin and XRP, so you can get XRP on Uphold, has never been easier, and you can deposit up to $2,500 a day or more prior arrangement. But here's the thing you also want to know. At the same time, there is a 65-day cooldown before you can send ACH funds to external crypto wallets to other users. You can withdraw to your originating bank account after 4 days, 4 business days actually, once the funds has been settled. This is basically doing this because they want to make sure your funds are secure. Now, there is a wrap around it as well. If you don't want to wait for that 65-day cooldown, you can use a debit or credit card as well. So check this out here. How fast can I trade the fund deposit from a US bank account? You can do it pretty quick. You can do it actually sooner than you think you can. And this news actually came out since 2020, August 2020. You can trade the ACH Deposit instantly on Uphold, which means you can buy Bitcoin, XRP, and other assets without that 4 to 7 day cooldown period. Now, we're talking about the 65-day cooldown. I would say use your credit card or debit card if you don't want to go ahead and do that. Now, that's something people have been asking about, like, do I have to use your bank account? I would have a bank account necessarily set up in your Uphold, but what I would do is use your credit card and debit card as well. Now, this is information on how to withdraw directly to your bank account. It's very, very simple and very, very easy. So let me go ahead and play a little bit of this video.
You can withdraw funds to a UK bank account in seconds. Here's how easy it is. Let's say you want to liquidate your Bitcoin. Start on the portfolio screen showing your holdings. Tap Transact, which brings up the From and To screen for moving money easily. Tap From and select Bitcoin under My Accounts. If you want to sell all your Bitcoin, tap Use All just above the keyboard. If you only want to sell a fixed amount, pick the bank account you want to deposit into and specify the amount in your local currency. Tap Preview Withdraw to see your rate, and finally tap Confirm. Your Bitcoin is sold at the preview rate, which we lock and guarantee. Unlike some other platforms, there are no hidden spreads. Your sale proceeds are automatically converted into pounds sterling. The money will arrive in your UK bank account in seconds.
In seconds, that's how you do it. That's how to withdraw directly to your bank account. That's using a UK bank account, but you also can do that in USA as well. So just going back to this really quickly, this is some news that came out. Actually, the news has been out for a while. I just want to relate this to you. You can withdraw an ACH deposit to your originating bank account after 4 business days once the funds have been settled. Now, for people who want to get into fast-moving cryptos quickly, the change is a massive leap forward in trading experience. Many of the customers have been asking for this change. So you can withdraw ACH funds to external network, such as crypto wallets, or send to other users on the platform after 65 days. If you don't want to wait to the 65 days, let me just go back again. You can do it by using your credit or debit card. Look at this. You don't just deposit using a debit or credit card, and there is no cooldown. Just deposit using a debit or credit card, and there's no cooldown period. So that 65-day cooldown period, there's not. For amounts over $5,000, you can send Uphold, and they'll waive the wire deposit of $20 if it's over $5,000 that you're sending. So it's very simple to do that. So just look into that more. I just wanted to give this information to you because there's been some talk about the 65-day cool down period, and how can I actually withdraw my bank account, how fast can I trade funds deposit from the US bank account. And this is what we started out in the beginning. Good news, you can start trading deposits from a US bank account instantly on Uphold instead of having to wait that 4 to 7 day settlement. So that's really good as well, because people want to buy and sell their assets at any particular time. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Click on the link below to get access to your Uphold account. Sign up, be smile, be excited. Let's go ahead. I hope you have some success with it. It is an easy platform. I'm doing these videos just to help you in terms of buying and selling your assets on the Uphold platform. Click on the link below to sign up as an account, and I'll see you on the next video.